Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome to Family English with Mr. Kabada. This time I'm going to present part 2 of the question, especially focusing on some of the key parts of the question, which is letters and imperatives, commands and indefinite pronoun. How can we are intended to make a tag question if the speakers are such that I am listing now? So tag question part 2. Here, what's tag question? The value or the purpose of tag question first is, so if you want to just confirm or to know about the background experience or the background information, we had better use tag questions. Or maybe if you want to just recheck it or check again about whether the background experience or the background sentence or the background information is really true or not, or positive or negative, still we have better use tag question. And these are the second uses of preparing for tag question. The third purpose of preparing or asking tag question is if you want to ask a question shortly or for saving time, so tag question is also important here. So that's right. Tag question sindel actually part 1 ከዚህ በፊት published ሆኗል። tag question ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ አንድ ነገር ለማረጋገጥ ስንፈልግ ከሆነ ለምሳሌ የመጀመሪያው ኢንፎርሜሽን ትክክል መሆኑን አለመሆኑን ማረጋገጥ የምንፈልግ ከሆነ tag question ነው የምንጠቀመው። ወይም አጭር ጥያቄ መጠየቅ የምንፈልግ ከሆነ tag question ነው የምንጠቀመው። ወይም የባክግራውንድ ኢንፎርሜሽን ወይ ባክግራውንድ ኤክስፒሪየንሱን ሪአሹር ለማድረግ ስንፈልግ confirm ማድረግ ስንፈልግ tag question ነው የምንጠቀመው actually. So a tag question purpose ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው. So these are the total definition of what tag questions, why people use for tag question. So ለምንድን ነው tag question የሚጠቀምበት? These are the purpose, please. Fine. Let's come to the types of preparing tag question here. We have two basic rules for tag question. ሁለት መሰረታዊ ህጎች አሉን tag question የምንጠቀምባቸው. If the first statement is, or we can say that the background information is positive sentence and the tag question is negative. ደግሞአለሁ background informationአችን positive sentence ከሆነ የምንጠቀምበት ወይም confirm የምናደርግበት tag question negative tag question ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ፋይናሊ የምናገኘው መልስ ደግሞ positive sentence ነው የሚሆነው። positive sentence ነው የሚሆነው። ልክ ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው? positive sentence plus negative tag plus the response is positive sentence. አንደኛው ህግ ይሄ ነው። Okay, አንደኛው ህግ ይሄ ነው። Its purpose is to ask for things or information. ልክ ነው። ይሄ ለምሳሌ positive sentence negative tag የምንጠቀምበት አንደኛ መረጃ መጠየቅ የምንፈልግ ከሆነ ወይም የሆነ ሰው የሆነ ነገር እንዲሰራ የምናዘው ከሆነ ይሄ positive sentence negative tag እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። negative tag እንጠቀማለን። ስለዚህ just intonation voiceአችን up ይሆናል። goes up ማለት high pitch ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። yes low pitch ሳይሆን high energy high pitch ይሆናል። ይሄ ማለት I want to ask somebody to do something. All right, I want to ask some information about something. Yes, ስለሆነ ነገር መረጃ መጠይቅ ከሆነና የሆነ ሰው ይሄን ነገር እንዲሰራልኝ ከፈለገ my ways of asking the question is the voice up. voice up ማለት intonation pitch ከፍ ይላል ማለት ነው። yes, pitch are you ለምሳሌ are you, can you, do you, all right, negative ለቀይሮ ለምሳሌ aren't you, haven't you, couldn't you, isn't she, isn't he, the voice goes up, high pitch ይኖረዋል. so that is the purpose of asking for negative tag, please. negative tag purpose ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው. let me give you example, please. ሁለተኛው positive basic ruleአችን ሁለተኛው ህጋችን if the statement is negative, please. statementአችን ወይም አረፍተ ነገሩ ኔጌቲቭ ከሆነ የምንጠቀምበት ታግ positive tag ነው የምንጠቀምበት። positive tag positive tag ማለት ሪስፖንሳችን ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ሁለት ነገር አለው ማለት ነው። yes, ሪስፖንሳችን either positive ነው ካልሆነ ምንድነው የሚሆነው? ኔጌቲቭ ነው። ሁለቱንም ማድረግ እንችላለን። ሁለቱንም ፋይናሊ የምናገኘው መልስ ሁለቱንም either positive or negative sentence ነው። ሁለተኛው ቤዚክ ሩላችን ይሄ ነው የታግ question። ምሳሌ ነው። ለምሳሌ they are not going to the beach now. Look here, they are not going to the beach now. which is negative sentence የምንለው ይሄን ነው so the response here is the auxiliary verb plus the speaker they yes ከየትም ቦታ አለም ይሄ before forms of verb ነው ይሄን before forms verb inverse ነው ማድረገው as they look here they are not going to the beach now the background information is negative and the tag question is positive here are they yes look are they go up are they እየሰሩ አይደል ይሰራሉን ማለት ነው yes ይሰራሉን are they ሁለት መልስ አለን yes they are going to the beach now or no they are not going to the beach now ለምሳሌ I do not give classwork to my students I do not give classworks to my students negative sentence I do not give now do I no I do not give classwork to my students yes I give classwork to my students second example so to summarize it if the background information is just like negative the tag question is always positive and the response is both positive and negative the first rules of tag question የመጀመሪያው ህግ ነው የሚሆነው second if the statement or the background information is positive the tag question is negative here you could speak 3 languages couldn't you yes you could speak 3 languages yeah positive negative tag positive response second she was upstairs yesterday wasn't she yes she was upstairs yesterday yeah look here the positive statement or the positive experience or information but the tag question is negative and the response here is only positive sentence yeah only positive this is true for all tag questions please ሁሉም tag questions ሁለቱን መሰረታዊ ህጎች ይዘው ነው የምንጠቀምባቸው ለምሳሌ I do not feel today I do not feel happy today but do I normally yeah or I feel happy today yes I feel happy today don't I yes I feel happy today ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው ያልኩት couldn't I ስል ይሄ couldn't I የምፈልገው ነገር background information yes you could speak 3 languages የሚሉ ማግኘት የሚያስችለኝ tag question ነው ሁለተኛው basic rule ይሄ ነው tag question with imperatives yeah ሶስተኛው ለምሳሌ imperative ማለት commands orders recommends suggestions advice warning all these are called imperatives the sentence begins with verbs yeah imperative ማለት ሰብጀክቱ በተናጋሪው ላይ አንደርስቱድ የሆነ imperative በቨርቡ የሚጀምር እነዚህን ነገሮች ሁሉ የሚያካትት imperative እንለዋለን ለምሳሌ after let us ሲሆን tag questionአችን ምን ይሆናል after let us the tag question is always shall we that's always true please after let us the tag question is always what shall we example let's go for study let us ስንል including me the speaker እኔን ያካትታል right እኔ ጋር አካባቢ ያለው first person singular as well as first person plural so we can say that let us እንላለን it doesn't include for maybe second person or third person ተናጋሪዎችን አያካትትም ነው ለዛ ነው shall we ብለን እንጠቀም shall we yes let's go for study let's study hard as a command please yeah shall we exactly true let's not go outside alone let's not which is negative command here should we look here I told you the reason why we use the pronoun we because it invites first person singular as well as first person plural we so that's okay shall we so ብቻም አይደለም please it's true for spoken english like shall advisable የሚሆነው first person singular እና first person plural advisable ነው መጠቀም it is true for British English yeah British English we እና first person I shallን ይጠቀማሉ that's true ይሄ ማለት American English አንጠቀም ማለት አይደለም of course yeah so this is the first one ሁለተኛው don't ሲል ለምሳሌ ኮማንዱ don't ብሎ ሲጀምር the question tag is will you ብለን ነው የምናስቀምጠው don't be late to school ለምንድነው will ያላልኩት እኔ ነኝ ኮማንድ የምሰጠው please don't play in the road ልልተው don't play I give you order not to do something in the wrong place ለማን ነው the command is from me to another person So the tag question doesn't include me. I first person, the speaker first person አይጨምርም። ትእዛዙን የምሰጠው እኔ ነኝ። ስለዚህ tag questionን እኔ አይጨምርም። የትእዛዝ የተቀበለውን ሰው ብቻ ነው። ስለዚህ ነው will you ብሎ የተቀመጠው። will you ለምሳሌ don't be late to school. will you? Yes, don't be late to school. will you? Yeah, responseaችን either positive or negative ይሆናል። will you? Yes, don't be late to school or you'll be late to school. Yes. Study hard. ይሄ command ነው please. Study hard please. advice ነው ያ will you? will you? will you? exactly. ለምሳሌ don't smoke cigarettes in the classroom. don't smoke cigarettes in the classroom. I give warning to someone who is standing in front of me or in the classroom. So the tag question doesn't include for first person speaker I. So we cannot use shall we አንልም ማለት ነው። ይሄን ስለማይጨምር ትእዛዙ ከኔ ወደ ሌላ ሰው ላይ ተላለው። ስለዚህ will you ማድረግ ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። will you ማለት ሲጋራ አለማጨስ ትችላለህ። will you ማለት ሲጋራ አለማጨስ ትችላለህ ነው ጥያቄው። yes ገብቶናል አለ። ስለዚህ ሁለቱ ሌታስ እና ዶንት ስንጠቀም tag questionናቸው ሁሉ ጊዜ ይሄን ፎርም ተከትሎ የሚሄደው። the third one after I. look here after I. the negative tag question is aren't I ብለን ነው። ለምሳሌ am okay ስል tag question ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? aren't I or am I not ደግመዋለሁ። am I not possible ነው please. am okay aren't I? yes I'm okay. am I not another tag question forms of the speaker I ይቻላል። am I not ብለን tag question ማድረግ እንችላለን please. I'm busy for houseworks. aren't I? or am I not? aren't I? or am I not? it doesn't mean that the speaker is plural ማለት አይደለም። ይሄ የግራመር ህግ ነው actually። ካስፈለገም am I not ብለን construct ማድረግ እንችላለን። እነዚህ ሶስቱ መሰረታዊ ጉዳዮች ነው። aren't I? yes I'm okay today. yes aren't I? አይደለሁም ምን? yes I'm okay. I'm busy for housework. aren't I? yes I'm busy for housework. exactly. ሶስተኛው መንገዳችን ነው። አራተኛው with tag question with the indefinite pronouns please. tag question with indefinite pronouns. You know, when you say indefinite pronouns, most of the time they come at the beginning of the sentence and we use these indefinite pronouns for indefinitely with no limit actually, with an infinite number, an infinite amount. So we can say indefinite pronoun, especially for everyone, no one, someone, none, anyone. And the tag question is always they. ይሄ ነው indefinite pronoun ማለት define የሆነ subject የለኝም indefinite የሆነ subject አለኝ tag questionናቸው ስፒከሩ ወይም ሰብጀክቱ they ብለን ነው የምንጠቀመው እስኪ ምሳሌዎችን ያያየን please yeah let's give me examples here this examples look the examples here ምሳሌዎችን ናቸው እዚህ ጋር everybody know the answer everybody which is an indefinite pronoun it's not defined everybody whatever any kind of person any kind of individual everybody maybe number of students in the classroom yes everybody knows the answer don't say here because the subject here is say so the preferred auxiliary verb is don't here there is subject verb agreement subject to they know ካልን agreement subject verb agreement don't ነው doesn't ልል አይችልም ማለት ነው look here everybody ስንል no just positive indefinite pronoun ነው and don't say actually no singular verb ነው doesn't ነው መጠቀም የሚገባን ግን ህጉ የሚለን ማን ነው ዘይን ሰብጀክት ካስቀመጠ don't እንድንጠቀም ያስገድደናል ማለት ነው everyone is happy aren't they why everyone is happy aren't they ለምንድን ነው aren't የተጠቀምኩት እዚህ ጋር ያለው መነሻ verb before Mr. verb ስለሆነ ይሄ ስፒከር ደግሞ ወይም ይሄ ሰብጀክት before Mr. verb plural verb ይፈልጋል aren't they ብዬ construct አደርጋለሁ aren't they exactly these two example sentences are positive and the tag question is negative here none can do this look here none means no one which is negative by nature negative indefinite pronoun or negative subject here none can do this no one can do this no አይደለም no one negative ነው አይደለም ስለዚህ ታግ ኩዌስችናችን ምን አለበት ፖዚቲቭ ነው take care please none can do this can say can they we cannot say can't they አለ because negative indefinite pronoun negative tag question meaningless tag question no meaning at all ስለዚህ we depend on the speaker of the sentence to get or to give or to ask to confirm about the correct tag question which is positive tag question here nobody went here nobody is still the same with nobody no one actually which is negative indefinite pronoun did they why do I use did because the verb here is simple past is tag question is did and here is an action verb the correct auxiliary verb is either did or the negative forms of did didn't hear okay so none and nobody have just actual negative indefinite pronoun and the tag question is positive here this is the first cause of indefinite pronoun the four examples show about indefinite pronoun that they refer about person body one and no one nobody they refer about person here exactly the other indefinite pronoun here is things if the indefinite pronoun refers about things yeah thing yeah nothing its subject is it because it doesn't refer about person or individual it refers about things which are different from person so the correct subject here is it yeah nothing is inside nothing is negative meaning negative indefinite pronoun so which is positive tag here positive tag nothing is inside is it we cannot say isn't it አለለም ምክንያቱም nothing በራሱ ምንም ነገር ውስጥ ቤት ውስጥ የለም ካልኩኝ is it አለን no nothing is inside no nothing is inside ብዬ ነው ዲፋይን ማድረገው nothing will happen will it ለምን will ተጠቀም because the auxiliary verb here is will why positive because nothing by itself is negative why I use it the subject because this indefinite pronoun refers about things not person actually that's the logic behind it anything is possible for her anything which have positive meaning here anything is possible for her isn't it because anything which is positive implied meaning so the tag question is isn't it ብዬ መልሳለሁ something is based on nothing isn't it yeah something is የሆነ positive sense ነው ያለው something there is something but we cannot define it's indefinite thing something is based on nothing isn't it so that's true please here እንደዛ ብዬ ዲፋይን አደርገዋለሁ ይሄ ነው indefinite pronounዎች በዚህ ካታጎሪ ከፍለን tag questionናችን እናዘጋጃለን ማለት ነው okay let's come to some of the question please yeah revise questions for tag question let's do something what's the correct tag question here እስኪ መልሱት እናንተ what's the correct tag question here let's do yes ምን አላችሁ then let's do shall we ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ shall we ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ this is imperative ነው አይደል don't disturb me negative command ማለት ነው negative command don't disturb me will you ምክንያቱም እኔን አይጨምርም ተናጋሪውን አይጨምርም command ነው will you ብዬ imperative tag question አዘጋጃለሁ everyone is ready to go there everyone is ready to go there everyone is because the subject is indefinite pronoun here are say everyone aren't say no aren't say because everyone which is positive indefinite pronoun so negative tag aren't say right no one blames it yes no one blames it negative meaning ነው እዚህ ጋር no one do say ማለት ነው negative plus positive do say correct question could you do something please this is polite request yes could you do will you won't አለም will not አለም command ነው will you shall we ብለን አልልም ምክንያቱም order is could you do something please? የሆነ ነገር መስራት ትችላለህ ነው ያልኩት ያ will you መስራት ትችላለህ? Yes, I could do something please. Fine. I'm free this time. I'm free this time. I'm free this time. Yes. Aren't I? Aren't I? Or am I not? Or am I not? Right. You are not there. You are not here at this time. You are not here. You are not here at this time. Are you? Are you? Are you? ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ ማለት ነው። These are summarized questions referring about tag questions please. ይሄ አሁን ያየነው tag question ሁለተኛው የtag question part ነው። ስለዚህ ፐርፖዙን ቅድም መግቢያ ላይ ተናግሬያለሁ። በዛ መሰረት እነዚህን tag questionዎችን አንድ ነገር ኮንፊርም ማድረግ ስንፈልግ we can just use these types of tag question please. Yeah. I think do the questions individually and try to practice by checking your own examples and try to use these tag questions in the actual situation, especially for actual using or actual usage of the first part of tag question as well as the second part of tag question. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, please. Thank you for watching my video.